welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on Epic Water Filter. Epic Water Filter is a company founded in the USA and is located in Florida. They ensure the promotion of healthy water. I will be doing an unboxing on the water pitcher and the water bottle. This is how the packaging looks. Information that the box says eliminates 99.9% of contaminants. Each filter replaces 1,000 plastic water bottles. The pitcher is BPA free, and then it says that you enjoy up to 150 gallons of water. This is how the pitcher looks. It has a bamboo handle on the side. It holds up to 10 cups of water. And right here at the top, it shows how long the filter lasts. It says 90 days. And the white part right here is the filter. Details about the pitcher. It has a lifetime warranty. You 100% satisfied or you get your money back. The pitcher eliminates odor and eliminate the aftertaste of water. Each filter removes up to 800 plus contaminate. It removes contaminants such as fluoride, lead, and heavy metals. The pitcher is made from safe material, and the filter is long lasting. As I said it before, the filter lasts for 150 gallons of fresh water, and the filter lasts for 3 to 4 months. I highly recommend everyone to purchase the water pitcher because it saves you money. It also ensures clean, safe drinking water. Here's the water bottle. It's 48 ounce. I love how the water bottle looks. The filter saves about 550 plastic water bottles. The filters that inside of the water bottle is the Everywhere filter. It removes 200 plus contaminants. And it also came with another filter. And this is the Every Tap filter. And it removes 70 plus contaminants. Love how the water bottle looks. It looks so girly for me. I love the message on the water bottle. Be a good person. My discount code CurvyKey to save 15% off your total. And this is good items to purchase to guarantee to keep you safe, and you make sure you're drinking safe, clean water for you and your family. And these will make a perfect gift for you or others. Thanks for watching.